Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am having a bit of a problem. I have green aphids on my apple tree and I'm showing you a close-up right now. You can see here all the green dots on the stem. These are all little aphids, green ones, and it's full of them. As you can see, they are on the stem, on their leaves. I will show you now the rest of the plant. As you can see, it's full of it. They're everywhere, but I'm going to show you how I get rid of them in one night with a easy solution. And everyone has it at home. This one is very bad also. It's very full of it. Under the leaves there are eggs under the leaves from the aphids. And this is what it looks like. The black ones, those are ants. And I am going to show you how I am getting rid of these. There's a very easy thing. This is a spray bottle with some, and this is some dishwashing liquid. Spray bottle is half full of water, and as you can see, I'm pouring about a tablespoon dishwash liquid. Give it a good shake and then spray the plants all over, from above, from the sides, also under the leaves, because under the leaves there are eggs, also aphids, so you need to get it everywhere. So that it's fully soaked in this spray. Also the back of the plant. Don't forget under the leaves. And then I'm going to show you how it is tomorrow, because they now are all green. But tomorrow they are a different. This is the next day, and as you can see, they're not green anymore. They are black brown. That means they have died off. As you can see, there's nothing moving. All the green dots are gone. These are now all brown. And normally I am spraying it off with water, but it's gonna rain, so I'm putting them in the full rain, so the dead aphids fall off. And that's how I do this. As you can see, they are all gone, so that's good. And then I'm thanking you for watching. Bye-bye.